Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a favicon in Lovable AI website. Alright, let's begin. First, open your preferred browser and go to the Lovable AI website. Sign into your account and select the project where you want to add the favicon. Once inside your project, navigate to the AI prompt chat. Here, instruct the AI to use this attached image as your website's favicon. Next, click on the plus icon to open additional options. Then, select the attachment option and upload the image you want to use as your favicon. The AI will then apply the image and your website will display the new favicon accordingly. This method allows you to quickly customize your Lovable AI project with a professional-looking favicon, giving your website a distinct and recognizable icon for browser tabs. So that's basically how you can add a favicon in Lovable AI website. That's it for this video. Thanks!